Hi students, in this video I have just clarified about the basic methods in matrices. We know in matrices if it is a straight line it denote it as row, if it is a vertical denote it as columns, which means horizontal row, vertical column. If it is a 2, 3, 4, 5, what is the order of matrix? As I told earlier, the order of matrix means we want to calculate rows and columns. See, this is first row, second row, first column, second column. So, order of matrices is 2 cross 2. And then, if we want to find a determinant A, which I am given 2, 3, 4, 5. So, how we want to find determinant A means we want to cross multiply the, let us take A, B, C, D. We want to cross multiply as AD minus BC, which means AD minus BC. What is A and D? 5 2s are 10 minus B and C 4 3s are 12. So minus 2 will come. This is the method to find determinant A. And then how we want to find adjoint A. For example, 2 minus 3, 4 minus 1. So, in this 2 by 2 matrix, we want to find adjoint A. How we want to find means, as like determinant, first thing we want to just replace this leading diagonal. So, here 2 minus 3. Just changing the process, it will come minus 3, 2. And then we should not change the number in this diagonal. We should want to change the sign alone. See, here having plus 4, I am writing minus 4. Here having minus 1, I am writing just 1. If 1 is set means plus 1. So, this is the method to finding adjoint A for 2 by 2 matrix. Then, we know the matrix sign is how we want to put sign. First plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So, for row 1, which means for row 1 row column plus will come. For row 2 and second column what will come? Minus will come. That's why here I am putting minus. Okay. This is the signs of the matrix. And then let me clarify about how to find adjoint for 3 by 3 matrix. Now only we just learn about how to find 2 by 2 adjoint matrix. This having some shortcuts. Why? Because it is a lengthy process. When we multiplying, it will come something. It's a lengthy process. Even of that, I'm just explaining about some shortcuts. For example, if it is given like 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 2, 1, 4, 6. This is the given 3 by 3 matrix. For this 3 by 3 matrix, if we want to calculate adjoint means, first of all, we want to take and write the matrix. 2, 3, 1, 4, 2, 2, 1, 4, 6. We know this is row 1, this is row 2, this is row 3. Then this is column 1, column 2, column 3. After writing this same matrix, again we want to take and write column 1 and column 2. So what is the column 1 elements? 2, 4, 1. Column 2, 3, 2, 4. Again we want to take and write column 1 and column 2. 3, 2, 4. After that, step 2 is again we want to take and write row 1 and row 2. See what is the row 1? 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Row 2, 4, 2, 2, 4, 3. Yes. So, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 4, 2, 2, 4, 3. So, what is the procedure for finding adjoint 3 by 3 matrices? First of all, we want to take and step 1, we want to take and write the matrix. Step 2, after that, we want to take and write the column 1 and column 2 again. Then we want to take and write the row 1 and row 2 again. Then step 3, we want to delete the first row and first column of the matrix. Step 3, we want to delete the first row and first column, and then how we want to calculate means here having 2, 2, 4, 6. We want to, as like finding the numbers, we want to cross multiply. So 6 2s are 12. Minus sign will come in between. I think you know. 4 2s are 8. Then 4 6 3 1. We want to cross multiply. 1 4s are 4. Minus will come. 6 3s are 18. Then 3 1 2 2. 3 2s are 6. Minus 1 2s are 2. So in this, just see, I am just calculating in column matrix. Yes, this is column. We know I am just calculating in column matrix, but I am taking and writing the answer in row matrix. This is the method to follow. I am just calculating in row column matrix and take and write in row matrix. Then see, 2 4 6 1. Cross multiplying. 2 minus 24 will come. 1 6 1 2. 12 minus 1 will come. 1 2 1 4. 4 minus 4 will come. Then 4 2 1 4. So when we multiplying means 16 minus 2 will come. 1 4 1 3. 3 minus 8 will come. 2 3 4 2. 4 minus 12 will come. So I am calculating 2 by 2 matrix in column wise and taking and writing the answer in row wise. What is the step 1? Step 1 we want to take and write the matrix. Step 2, after that we want to take and write column 1 and column 2, row 1 and row 2. Step 3, we want to multiply E2 by 2 matrix in column wise. We want to take and write in row wise. See, 12 minus 8, what will give? 4. 14 minus 18 minus 14. 6 minus 2, what will come? 4. 2 minus 24 minus 22. 12 minus 1, 11. 4 minus 4, 0. I think you know why I am putting minus here. The largest number, 2 or 24. 24 only is the highest number. Highest number of the symbol will come for answer. 16 minus 2, 14. 3 minus 8, minus 5. 4 minus 12, minus 8. So this is the adjoint matrix of the given one. This is the shortcut for finding adjoint matrix in 3 cross 3 order. And then what is the formula for A inverse? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So we know how to find determinant A and then how to find adjoint A for both 2 by 2 matrix and 3 by 3 matrix. I think it is easy to calculate A inverse. So these are the methods to finding the matrix which we discussed, which we going to learn in some other exercises. Thank you.